As I said in the introduction, I'm really happy to work with you in this masterclass, and I'm in it for the long run to help you become successful with your course business. So this course is all about you and your goals and dreams, and it's certainly not about me. But some people like to know who's in front of them. If you're not interested, you can skip to the next lecture if you want. My name is Joram, and I'm an online entrepreneur, a retail and digital marketing expert operating from the vibrant city of Amsterdam. With more than 25 years of experience in retail and marketing, I've had the privilege of working for and with globally renowned brands that you're likely familiar with. I hold a master's degree in communication and organization science and a bachelor's degree in communication science, as well as around 2 decades of expertise in category management, product and brand development, as well as navigating the ever-evolving world of e-commerce and digital marketing. I'm also founder and owner of a company that specializes in digital marketing, social media, e-commerce, and branding concepts and training. Some of the initiatives coming from that business are successesmade.com and drfunnel.com, helping countless individuals and businesses realize their digital potential. Throughout my journey, I've launched an array of blogs, brands, e-commerce stores, and sales funnels for myself and other businesses, which make me a true online serial entrepreneur. You can ask me anything around topics such as branding and product development, traffic sources, marketing and sales funnels, training and consulting, different online income streams, copywriting, affiliate marketing, and other topics. And one important thing I want to mention is that I use every single tactic that I teach myself. What you see very often is that people sell courses to make money, and those courses are about digital marketing related topics, but they don't really use those tactics themselves. They actually only make their money by selling courses. For me, it's the other way around. My true passion lies in sharing my knowledge and experience, and I strongly believe that your success is well within reach. And through this masterclass, we will unlock it together. Feel free to connect with me on social media. I'm active on several platforms where you can find me using the handle Success is Made. Well, that's more than enough about me. Let's get started.